Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the surface. First of all, we will go and we will do some drawing setting. As I explained in the previous video, we can go from here to this application button. From here, this is called application button. Then we will go to the drawing utility from here to do the drawing setting. Just click here, go to the drawing utility. Once you go to drawing utility, you can see from here the drawing settings. So once you click on the drawing setting from here, then this window will open. And from here you can see different type of option as I explained in the previous video. First of all, we will select meter, degree and feet. This all everything is okay. If you want to select your scale, you can just select it from here. And here you will select the datum. Which datum you have, you can just select your datum from here. Once you select your datum, for example, if you are from country Spain, Russia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, you can just select your country from here. Once you select the country, then you will see that available coordinate system is display here, and you can see your zone. In which zone you are working, you should to select your correct zone. Then your drawings and each coordinate will be very okay. So select the zone. You can see that from here of UTM and description UTM projection coordinate. Once you do this all setting, then you can apply an okay. Now you can see that your drawing is as per your required and working zone, so it will be okay. So now first of all, we will import the points. As I explained how we can import the points, we can just go to the points option, or we can just click from here point and create from here. So this both option is available here, point creation tool, or right click, create points from here. Once we click on the create points, this pop-up menu will open. Once this pop-up menu will open, you can see that there is a different type of formats. In which format you have the CSV or TXT file, you can select your format from here. Let me select the point from here. First of all, we will go to, so we have this CSV file. We can just select on this CSV file from here. We have this CSV file. We can see that our CSV file is point easting and northing. We have this CSV file. We can see that we already uploaded the CSV file. We can select the format from here. Our format is in point easting, northing, elevation as a comma delimited. How you have the file format, you can just select it from your file format. This brief detail I already explained in the point section. So from here you can already provide the group setting. You can select it from here. And the one thing is that, for example, if your required format is not here, you can go to this edit, and from here you can just select from here, or you can create your own new style. If you click here, user point database, user point file, you can just click here. This pop-up box menu will open, and you can just create any new file. You can just select here the zone settings, and all columns you can just select as per your requirement. Now we have this 8 points group. Click tick mark this and click on this small arrow and create here points. For example, I can just give this existing ground and click OK. Why we are creating this? For example, if we have different type of groups, so we need to change it to one group to another group, so we are using this. So click on OK. Once you click on OK, your R points is imported. You can just click from here the zoom button also from here, okay, or you can just press from your keyboard Z spacebar and spacebar. You can see this is your points, point description, elevation, everything is here. If you want to reduce the scale size, you can reduce from here, then you will see very clearly from here. If you want to change the point style, you can also change point style from your point property settings. So now we have these points, and we will create surface on these points. Later in another video, we will discuss how we can create points from AutoCAD points and from polylines and from DEM. So just click on surface. Once you click on surface, then create surface. From here you can just give the name existing, EG mean existing ground, and from here you can just select the surface style 1 meter and 5 meter design. Click OK. So once you select this all option, here is thin, here is the layer, EG and 1 meter and 5 meter design as per your requirement. As I explained in the previous video, you can just create your own, or you can use the default one. Okay, now your surface is created. Once you click on this plus button here, under the surface, you can see here is your surface. You can see which we created easy. So click on this small plus button. This three option will open mask, watershed and definition. So click on definition. Once you click on definition, you will see point groups from here. Okay, click on this definition, this, and now you can see that points group. So we will add points. We have point group. Right click on this, click on add. Now the list will see how much groups you have. You will see here. So click on this existing. We have this existing, apply. Okay, now you can see that it's created also, but we have one mistake because we have here benchmark. So we will just Control Z, and first of all we will delete these 3 points or control points, delete. And now you need to go to the points, and from points you can see here it is the yellow icon. You need to update it. Just right click and go to update. So once you update, everything will be okay. So now need to go to the point group, add points, and click on existing round, apply, and okay. Now you can see that your surface is created successfully. You can see your major contour, this one, and your minor contour, this one. So this is our surface which we created. I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye.